All right, guys, so today's video we're talking about the Oraimo solar power lighting system. This is the box here. I just received it right now, so I want to do the unboxing and first impression about this Oraimo power lighting system. Let's see how this guy is going to be. This box is very big, so I don't know if there is a surprise inside with the main product itself. I mean, for the surprise, so I just want to see it. Without wasting much of time, babsomotden here. Let's talk about this. Let's open this guy up. Let's get down to business. It comes in this big box, and let me open it up this way. I have to be careful. I don't want to cut in. Okay. All right. Good. Just only the solar system itself. So this is it, guys, and this is Oraimo solar home lighting system. It comes with the model number Power Solar 38 OPS 138. From this side here, you can see some of the features here that says 38.4 watts hour, and it comes with 12 watt solar panel, 10 years lifespan, and 90 times brighter than a kerosene lamp. And the last but not the least is the 900 lumen brightness. That means it is very, very bright. By this side, you are going to see Oraimo Smart Accessories, which comes in black, showing that it is in black, and Oraimo Smart Accessories here. And at the back of it, you are going to see Oraimo brand ambassador in the person of Burna Boy. And here is just a few things you need to know. You have to install the solar panel on top of your roof. That is pretty much it. So let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside. It comes sealed here with an handle for carrying it. So I'm going to use my knife here and open this side up. All right, so there we go. So this is the solar panel, and it comes with this very long cable. You can see the solar panel, guys, and it comes with this very long cable. I hope you can see it, guys. So that it is very, very long, and I'm going to keep that safely down here. Next thing you are going to find in the box is an adapter, an AC adapter with a round mouth or a round pot. I'm going to keep that aside. And the next thing you are going to find inside of the solar kit system is a cable for charging numerous ports of your smartphone. If you are using Type-C, if you are using micro USB or the old micro USB or the port or the tiny mouth, all of them are here. You can see them here. And also we have the Oraimo Power Solar 38 manual. So here is the manual. You can go through that before you start installing it. Here also you have the big boy. So here, there you go. So I'm going to show you a lot of things about this guy before I start installation. So it comes with this percentage and everything you need to know about it. It comes with Oraimo branding at the front, and on top of it you can see where you are going to plug your solar panel cable. And at the back you can see a little dent here just for grabbing it or when you want to hang it somewhere. It comes with some specification at the back of it, so you can read through, and with certifications also. Also you can see it comes with this light at the front here, so you can see if it is charging. An indicator is here. If the battery is high, it's going to show you. If the battery is low, it's going to show you here. And it comes with this switch here, on and off. Okay. Another thing you have to know, by the right hand side of it, you are going to see the ports for charging, which is out 1, out 2, and Type-C port, with some other port for the bulbs. Okay, we are going to talk about that. Okay, so let me keep that aside. And what else can we find in this box? Let me see. Any other thing? Okay, we have something here for the box. Okay, so this is what you are going to screw to the wall. All right, and you now put this as the hook, because I can see something here. Okay, so it's going to hook it, then you just position it to your wall. If you are using something similar to this, you understand what I'm saying. But if you have not, it's not something hard. You can even install it by yourself. You don't need much ceremony. And here it comes with the hook also in it. This is okay. These are nails. Okay, these are nails with red star something there. I hope you can see it clearly. So this is just to drive them into the wall. Let me see if there is any other thing in the box. I think that is the last thing here. Let me open it, which are the bulbs. Okay, the fluorescent rather. Okay, so it comes with something like hook that you can use it to nail them to your ceiling or your side of the wall. Here is one. Let me show you one by one. So these are the hooks. You can see that with nails. And here is the switch for it, and they are very long. So if you want to run it around your house, you are free to run them and just put the bulb wherever you want them to be, or the fluorescent wherever you want them to be. This is very good for office settings. It's very good for your house. It's good for your site. If you are living in a site, just go there, mount this thing there. You don't have to worry about there is no light. You can charge your phone with this guy. I've used something close to this, but not this brand. So seeing Oraimo making this thing, I'm so happy for it. This guy comes with long cables here, which comes with switch. Okay, just on and off switch. So I really like that. Very long. I can see it here. They are very long, and that's just it. You have everything here that you can use to set it up. So to connect it up is not something hard. So far, you just set up everything right, read through the manual, and you are going to get everything. If you want to get this Oraimo Power Solar from Oraimo, you can get it for 65,600 naira from their e-shop. But I got a good news for you. You can get it cheaper by using the discount code bracket, and this is going to bring it down to 62,300 naira for you right now. If you want to get any other thing from Oraimo, you can also use the word bracket. Just use that discount code bracket, and it's going to give you 5% discount off instantly. Thank you for using the discount code. So my first impression about this is that I really like the way Oraimo made their solar panel. This looks better than some of their competitors in the market right now. As you can see the back. You can see the rating, the solar panel information, and everything. You can also open this guy if you want to see how this cable joins to the solar panel. So you just press down. You can see the open option here. Press it down like this, and it's going to open up. It is sealed, so it's not that it's going to spoil any moment from now. This is sealed up, and this is one of the best ones I have seen. I can see that this guy comes with a very good material made from sturdy material, and it's just something I like. Concerning this solar panel, I want to say Oraimo did a great job on this one. And when it comes to the bulbs or the LED lamps, these are very good. I've not tested it yet, but I know it's going to be brighter than the bulbs that we are seeing in some of their competitors. I'm going to show you how I install it in the next video, because that one is going to be a very long one, and I'm going to tell you how it has been serving. So maybe in a week later, I'm going to share everything that I know about this guy. If you have any question about this, please drop it down there in the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as possible. I remember Babatunde Omotayo. Bye for now. Peace.